1 in 7 Americans has kidney disease right now, and most of them have absolutely no idea. And the worst part? The diet advice your doctor hands you could actually be making things worse. If you've ever stared at a lab report and felt completely lost if someone has told you your kidneys need watching, or your eGFR isn't where it should be, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down the top 10 foods that actually support and detoxify your kidneys. But here's the thing, we're going to do it right. No generic food lists. No one-size-fits-all advice. I'm going to show you why the stage of your kidney health completely changes what you should eat. And which foods that are sold as healthy are quietly sabotaging your filters. Let's get into it. The foundation, why your kidneys can't be fixed. Before we talk food, you need to understand one thing that changes everything, something your doctor probably hasn't told you. Your kidneys can't regenerate. Think about your liver. It's the superhero of organs. Damage it, and given the right conditions, it rebuilds. Your kidneys are more like fine Swiss watches. Precise, powerful, irreplaceable, but once a gear is broken, it stays broken. Your kidneys are made of millions of microscopic vessels called microtubules. Once those scar over from high blood sugar, high blood pressure, or even too many Tylenols, that tissue is gone. Forever. This is why the wait and see approach is the most dangerous thing you can do. And it's why what you eat right now today matters more than any medication after the fact. Here's another thing the system doesn't tell you. If your eGFR reads 77, your doctor might say you're fine. But an eGFR of 77 is stage 2 chronic kidney disease. Your filters are already struggling. If you're ready to take real control of your kidney health with science-backed nutrition, not generic advice, hit subscribe. We drop new research-backed health hacks every week. Now, let's get to the actual foods. Foods number 1 to 4, the low mineral power players. These first 4 foods have one thing in common. They give your kidneys the cleansing benefits of a healthy diet without piling on the minerals your damaged filters are struggling to process. Food number 1, bell peppers. One of the most recommended fruits for kidney health is the apple, low in minerals, right? The problem is that for most people, whose kidney damage is driven by insulin resistance, an apple is a sugar bomb. It spikes your insulin, which directly attacks those microvessels. Bell peppers have a nearly identical mineral profile: low potassium, low phosphorus, low sodium, but zero sugar spike. Swap the apple for a pepper and you get all the cleansing benefit with none of the metabolic cost. Food number 2, cabbage and sauerkraut. Cabbage is a quiet superstar, extremely low in all the minerals that damaged kidneys struggle to filter. And fermented as sauerkraut, it adds gut health benefits that support your immune system, reducing the risk of kidney infections. Food number 3, cauliflower. Cauliflower. Low in minerals, incredibly versatile. Use it as a rice replacement, a mash, or a pizza base. Watch your portions in later stages, as potassium can add up. Food number 4, onions. Here's one most people skip: onions. They're low carb, low mineral, and loaded with sulfur-containing amino acids that boost glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. A strong immune system is your first line of defense against glomerulonephritis, the kidney infection that causes serious damage. Just by swapping in these 4 vegetables, you reduce your kidney's filtration burden dramatically without sacrificing flavor, variety, or nutrition. Foods number 5 to 7, berries, protein and the egg white myth. I want you to imagine 2 people. Both are eating what they've been told is a kidney-friendly protein. But one of them is actually creating twice the toxic waste load on their kidneys. Here's why. Food number 5, raspberries, and the berry truth. Berries are excellent for kidney health, but the choice matters. Cranberries are often recommended for bladder health, but here's the catch. They're so tart that they're almost always consumed with massive amounts of added sugar. That sugar fuels insulin resistance, the very root cause of most kidney damage. Raspberries are your best pick. Just 5 grams of sugar per 100 grams. High fiber, low mineral load. They give you the antioxidant benefit without the metabolic penalty. Food number 6. Blueberries. Blueberries are another strong choice, rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the kidney's filtration system. Keep portions moderate at later stages, but for stages 1 and 2, they're a perfect daily addition. Food number 7. Whole eggs. The egg white myth busted. Here's something that genuinely surprises people. Standard kidney diet advice says, eat only egg whites. The yolk has phosphorus, so ditch it. Sounds logical, right? Here's the thing. What matters isn't just the mineral content, it's protein utilization. When you eat a whole, high-quality egg, your body uses the vast majority of it to build tissue. And when protein is converted to tissue, nitrogen waste is essentially zero. But when you eat only egg whites, an incomplete protein source, your body often turns that protein into fuel instead of tissue. That fuel conversion creates nitrogen waste. And nitrogen waste is exactly what your kidneys have to filter. In other words, eating the wrong protein to protect your kidneys might actually be damaging them. Choose whole, high-quality proteins in the right quantities for your stage. Smarter protein choices mean your kidneys work less, not more. Every gram of protein you eat should be working for you, building tissue, not creating waste. Foods number 8 to 10. The medicinal trio plus. Putting it all together, these last 3 aren't just food, they're medicine. And in tiny, 5-gram doses, they can do something extraordinary: fight the infections and inflammation that silently destroy kidney tissue from the inside. Food number 8. Garlic. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural antibacterials on the planet. In small daily doses, about a teaspoon, it helps your immune system fight the bacterial infections that lead to glomerulonephritis. Add it to almost anything: vegetables, proteins, soups. Food number 9. Ginger. Ginger is your premier anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of kidney deterioration. A small amount of fresh or powdered ginger daily can help damp down that inflammatory fire without any significant mineral burden on your kidneys. Food number 10. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most studied anti-inflammatory compounds in nutritional science. It specifically supports immune regulation, which helps prevent the autoimmune style inflammation seen in glomerulonephritis. A teaspoon in food or a warm drink daily. Simple, powerful, and kidney stage friendly for most people. Here's the critical truth that ties all 10 of these foods together: what you eat must match your kidney stage. In stages 1 and 2, your kidneys can still handle and actually need quality protein and minerals to repair tissue. Think of this phase as feeding your filters to keep them strong. In stages 3 and 4, your kidneys have lost their regulatory, budgeting ability. Now the rules get strict: sodium under 2000 milligrams, phosphorus under 1000 milligrams, protein between 60 and 80 grams, potassium under 3000 milligrams at stage 3B, and under 2000 milligrams at stage 4. And regardless of your stage, address the root cause. Insulin resistance and high blood pressure are behind the vast majority of kidney disease. No food list saves your kidneys if you're still feeding the fire that's burning them down. So here's the big takeaway, the one habit I want you to walk away with today. Know your eGFR. Check it. Not just whether your doctor flagged it, but what the number actually means. An eGFR of 77 isn't fine, it's a call to action. Then match your plate to your stage. Use the 10 foods in this video as your foundation. Add the medicinal trio every day. Cut the sugar that's driving the damage in the first place. Your kidneys are your body's life support system. They run silently, they don't complain, and by the time they do it's often late, but you're here. You're asking the right questions. And that means you still have time to make a real difference. If this helped you, drop a comment below. Which of these 10 foods are you adding to your diet first? I read every single one.